Hi, we are at Condado Center, condo, apartment 6D. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1 parking. By deed is 1,142 square feet, but because the balconies of this apartment were bring into the interior, I think we are around 1,400 square feet, as you will see, because this one of the bedrooms and the living area they are both very spacious. Okay, you can see we have a nice view. We are in the middle of the action in front of La Concha Hotel. Okay, and you can go to Santurce and to San Juan very easily because of this location. Here by the living, the dining, we're gonna go there right away, but first let's enter the kitchen that it has been remodeled. We have 2 entrances, one by the living and one by the dining area. And there's this bonus laundry room. Okay, as you will see, we have lights in both sides of the living area, so there's much clarity here. Okay, everything stays. This is a turnkey, except for the artwork, you can get everything else. Okay, the first bathroom is there with a shower. Cool. And then the first bedroom, very spacious because it had a balcony and those feet were brought to the interior. Okay, let me show you the view from here. Both bedrooms enjoy this very nice view. Okay, let's go to the main bedroom. It has its own bathroom. The view is the same here. It's a gorgeous view. The bathroom is the same. It's a shower. Okay. Let's take a closer view through the window. Quick look. Yes, you can see anything that's happening in the park there, and there's always something going on. I want you to see the ceilings. They're very high. Everything in good condition here. I'm telling you, it's turnkey. And you can get it from 650,000, and it makes minimum stay is 4 nights at 2,200 per stay. Well, you're gonna make back your money fast. All right.